Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can become a Doordash driver. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Doordash app. Once you open it, you will be redirected to this kind of interface where all you need to do now is simply tap on the profile icon besides the bell icon. So once you do this, you will end up in this page where all you need to do now is simply tap on become a dasher. After you do this, you will be then redirected to an external link where you will be in this page. Now simply tap on the apply now option, and after you do so, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is fill in the necessary asked credentials. So once you are done filling in all the necessary credentials, simply tap on the send application and follow the on-screen prompts. So this is how you become a Doordash driver. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.